See if there is more people joining. If we shake things up a little. In the meantime, I'm waiting for this thing to load up as usual. Are we ready? There's a lot to do. There's so much, and yesterday was a bit of was so much of a fuck up that I had to basically redo everything just after the stream, and yeah. But I think I managed to get things back on track, but some days are really not good. Finally. Okay. Shall we look for a soundtrack that is a bit nicer? Struggling to find soundtracks, guys. Struggling country. Which country? Let's see. As long as it's not annoying in the background. So okay, today we're gonna fix up a bunch of very different gameplay stuff. I should have finished this demo last week, but I need to finish a demo that I will hand out to test to some friends, and I have everything in place except the last 20%, which is always the most annoying to do. So we need to basically do some connections so that I can give out this demo and they can play it through, because there are some doors that cannot open, there are some puzzles that needs to be adjusted slightly. So the end goal is that. Then I'm working off screen on the minimap. Well, I'm calling it minimap, but it's actually the map. And this is preventing me to build now, but I think I know what the problem is here. So I'll fix this issue, and then we go and we do the things that we need to do. So I think the problem here is here. We just do this, and we can put the if back. Let's see, that should compile. In the meantime, our country is picking up. Not bad. Why is it failed now? Binary. Where is it using the equal? No operator. Can you tell me where I'm using it? Here. It cannot define a unique one because I didn't define what it means to be unique. Come on, build, compile, do the thing. Oh, come on, another error. Well, we're fixing things one by one, I guess. So I cannot have this as an array. Why? I'm a bit confused what this is. about. Fine, don't do anything then. I'm gonna cut this thing from this summary. I hope I will remember to do it. If you're seeing it, well, I didn't. Reference function in public. So what are you complaining about exactly? Unresolved symbol. Where is it? What the hell? Well, we gotta do this before we can even start. So I'm gonna try to debug this stuff. Did I get objects current floor? Right. I simply didn't implement it. This was the issue. So I think that this can stay. The error is definitely not there. Compile, please. Of course not. Bad of missing bit. Sorry, what? Sorry, what? Sorry, what? Sorry, what? That is missing bit field size. I am baffled. What the fuck is the problem here now? There's something about up here. There's something up here that is wrong. Better missing bit. It's oh, this is not commented for some reason and it didn't. Rider. That's the IDE's fault. And I need to disable this AI thing. Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna agree, but still, even without agreeing, it keeps auto-completing. And it's confusing most of the time because it tries to invent properties and things that you don't yet have in the class. And then it becomes confusing. Then I think, oh, I do have that property. No, I don't. That's just AI auto-completion can be bad. I guess everything can be bad. Also can be good. Anyway, let's get going with what we need to do. I'll show you the result of yesterday's puzzle. In the end, I simplified it, and usually simplifying is the solution. It still is nice, but it's simplified. So the original idea was that we would put carvings inside the paintings, and you need to match the paintings with the right carving. But that was very complex also for the player to understand, okay, which is the correct hole for a specific carving. Let me see. No, it's still loading. Still loading. We should go somewhere around here. Wait, where are we? No, where are we? We're in the back. There we go. So this, in the end, well, this is the picture we made yesterday. I just restored it. I will make the same picture for these two. And in the end, you will just find that some of these will already be there. Will just be mismatched. So there are nameplates around that you can find and place. So that's harvest. Then you maybe will find aging here, but you will not find that one. And this growth nameplate will be somewhere else. Anyway, the goal here is that you need to place them correctly. So this is, of course, I hope, growth. This is harvest. This is aging. So I hope that, and then that's it. And once you do that, the reward unlocks, which is going to be a crest, but we're not going to do that now. So that's really pushing it a bit. What we need to do is connecting section 1 to section 2. I have a list of things that are required for that to happen. We're going to go through them and we're going to do them. So, Raven. So the Raven here, we need to make it, there is a Raven and you need to place eyes in it. But I'm thinking we should just have one eye. Initially the puzzle was to put both eyes inside, but I think we can just have let me think. So one thing that we need for sure is this stairs. I will need to think a bit about it. This stairs needs to be raised. So we need to solve a few problems here. Just like that. Okay, so they go up. Fine. But here, let's see if we can add a little stair. And how bad would it look if we were to have this stair? Be somewhere. Wait, for stairs actually. Find it. Stairs. Tool stairs. Yes, yes. This tool that I is yoinked from Lyra is actually neat. Not everything is neat in that project, but most things are. So see, my problem being here is that this sucks. Is it even worth it to have it like that? It's very, very shit. It feels forced. To me, this feels forced. This one is to be pulled out. This, if this is the case, needs to come up to here. And maybe we can just push it back a little. We need to push them both back. It's just about finding what feels good here now. Let's also grab the bars. Yep. Okay. Bring this back a notch, but then also finish it up like this. Although I see the problem is more here. If we do that, then we can close it up like that. And these two columns are a bit useless. This part I forgot, I thought it was already merged, but it's not. Yeah, this makes this very useless. Yeah, I don't care. Here there should be maybe a door. Yes, let's put a door here. We need to redo the floors here for sure. Actually, we can use the new doors that I've made. Made new doors yesterday that are basically just base of C++ that does most of the things. Door, called it Atmos door, I think. Yes, there it is. It does the same that all doors used to do. It's just a little bit nicer in how it's made. So we do that. Then we place another one here. We need to add some light here. Shall we do it? And floor. So you're gonna be Lumens. Hello in the meantime, whoever you are. Welcome. We are building up a demo, basically. Doing the last things that are needed. And 1 second, huh? Just give me a second, I'm doing something on the off screen. There, now I can see if you say something. Cool. So, door. This is gonna be the last unofficial demo. Oh, come on, music, be nice. Start again from here. So this is good, but this will only be allowed to be open. Open side policy will be only from the back. So when you start here, you cannot open it. Yeah, wrong side. Cool. So you can only unlock it from here. All right. This, we replace it with this. Oh, now that I see it's really not leveled there. Is it also here? Let's level it out. Plus. Yep, just like that. Let's do the same here. Oh yeah, they're linked, perfect. So that's good. Now this area here becomes stupid as it is, so we can maybe flip this 90 degrees, push it in, just have it here. Put the clock guy. Wait, the clock also had its own audio. So what's happened this afternoon of Friday? Hopefully work is over. for you. Not here. Do we want this plant? Do we want this cube? Let's put the plant here. I don't know, this plant is just a leftover. Okay, better. This guy also we rotate it. And this plant, let's place it level with the other here. Cool. Now this looks very weird here. Maybe we can, hold on. We can place it on I kind of like that wooden cube. Let's make one for Giorgio here. The crow and the wood. I think that was it. Yep. Why not? Okay, now we need to think, do I want to have him have both eyes required or not? That's his question. I'll remove it. We'll have only one. So, although here there is a lot of things that I need to tweak. So he has... Oh, everything is grouped already. Cool. So I can... Oh. Oh. Look at... I'm seeing things. I'm trying to do the crow, but then I see things in the background that annoy me. Are we good? Are we good? We good. Cool. What I was saying. Here. We make it require the eyeball, the one that is not here. Because this one I'll remove it from here. What are you? What are you? What are you? L or... This is the right, so yes, he needs two L's. Actually, I can remove that one straight away. You require eyeball L. And then this one should be eyeball L as well. No, this one should be nothing. This one should be already inside. Let's put it already inside. Perfect. So now it's missing only one. And it's the left side. Now we need to then remove the R. Let me see if there is more. Crow. Statue. Trigger counter crow's eyes. We don't need a counter. We just need... We don't need the stairs raising. We just need the crow statue. And then when that happens, it needs to open his mouth. So we need to make it... So okay, first let's do it without animation, and then we make a little animation for him when everything works. So we have it, item required. Success trigger. Let's keep the sequence. Buttons. I know this guy's there, but we need to bring it back here. Oh, hold on, this is, yep. This is relative. We have on this an actor. What's it called? It's relative to an actor. What's it called? Transform. I'm working down here. On this guy. No, that's Molotov. Come on. Trigger place sequence. crowd still. See, now it's, if I move this actor, it's relative to this. Oh wait, maybe I'm stupid. That's right, that's right. Just modify, because I'm at the end. Yeah. So let me copy this also here, and then drag it out, make it like that, reset the rotation of this thing, bring it a bit up, a bit down here. So from there, copy, we paste it here too, and then come on, go in, in, bit less in, just like that. Give me a smile. Yeah, you look good there. So perfect. Okay, so that's it. So that should spawn. We can do it also here. We should add a pickup base. Should spawn it here. We add it to sequencer. We rename it actually. Let me rename everything. Execute Python script, rename pickups. So this one. Oh, I didn't do it. Okay, ID. Didn't do it because I didn't assign an object to it. ID green key. That's what it's gonna give. So we have the green key. We make it spawnable. It's a spawnable, and we spawn it right here. Spawned, yes. And that's that. Actually, we spawn it somewhere there, but then we need to tell it when finished keep state. And I think we need to change the owner of it. Let's see. We need to place it just there. We need to actually give it green key. Nice, we rotate it. We put it like there. Okay, let's see if this thing works. So save the sequencer. Actually, I am still on Epic. Now we go down to medium. Otherwise my stream is gonna suffer. Okay, we need to put in the L only, right? Keyboard L, okay, and when it's happening, we play this sequence. Perfect. That's right. Perfect. Except this didn't spawn and that shouldn't despawn, so let's fix these things. Let's also change the soundtrack. Electronic, but chill. Dreamy, hopeful. Let's see. This could work. So the key didn't spawn, and yeah. Okay, so give me this. Why did the key not spawn? It should have. Here is not spawned, and then here it spawns. Yeah, there it is. Now it should work. And then the eyeball properties. No, the spawn thing should keep state. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Did you ever work with sequencer? Do you know what it is? No, I keep picking the wrong one. And it doesn't keep state, and it doesn't spawn it. I'm pissed. What am I doing wrong? Do you know? What am I fucking up? Should be something simple. There, the key is spawning here. And this should... Keep state. Maybe am I overriding the settings here? Finish no, I'm not. So you should actually stay there. Let me delete this one we don't need. I'm confused. Why wouldn't you... Let's also set the eyeballs to spawned. Weird. Yeah, both worked. They're just not keeping state. Unreal keep state spawnable. I think it's about assigning the property, the ownership of the objects to the world and not to the sequencer. The transform needs to be set to keep state, but only when it's on the odds that the spawnable display when the sequence ends. In order to keep the spawnable around, you need to right click the spawnable and choose spawnable object owner. Yeah, there you go. I knew it was about the owner. So you need to click on the spawnable and choose spawnable object owner. And then, oh, spawn ownership external. There you go. Both of this should be external. I think that's it. If that's done, we move on to make the animation of the mouth. Yeah, that's good. Can I pick it up? Yeah, I can. Very good. Let's bring this bad boy out of here and let's make an animation for him. Actions, export, desktop, crow statue, export. Close this, Blender. All you see here is just game dev residuals. Nothing personal. Sorry. I don't want to be fast about this animation. We give it something very, very simple. So we need to cut this mouth, actually these three faces here. Can I cut Blender? Cuts, edge, divide. No, split an edge in two. I don't want to split an edge in two. I want to cut along edge, yes. Duplicate using recurring is too hard. What if we... let me think. Hey, what if we extrude down? No, but then in that case we need these two. So we don't need these faces here for sure. Let's wireframe this. We don't need those back faces. So, I would like you to hide all of this. Come on, hide. Thank you. Then these faces here, we don't need them. We don't need these. Unhide. Let me think. Maybe I'm gonna kill all of this. Let me see, and these two. Come on. Bye. These ones too. Cool, and now we need to join them. Now let me think. Let's merge them at center. Yes. This and this, we merge them at center. Actually, these two we can merge too. So now we have kind of a mouth. And how do we close it? That's the thing, because we can't just bring this up. Oh, these are okay. We need to select all, merge by distance. Cool. So now we can, yep. Thing is, if you want to open your mouth, my friend, then we need to have a way to let you do that. So first of all, we need to close your inside of the mouth. Let me see. I need to see more clearly. You don't help me now. You neither. Oh, here we have a problem. These are not merged. So we have one. These two needs to be merged at center. These two needs to be merged at center. This and this should be merged at center. Then I would even say these and these should be merged at center. Now we're talking. And we are still missing something because here there is no dot, no vertex. Where is it? This should not be there. Okay, let's connect these two. Not like that though. Come on. This subdivide. This and this we connect. This and this we connect. This and this we... No, dude. Yes. Okay. Now, do we need this stuff inside? Do we? I don't know. I think we just need to join this with this. And then join this with this. And this with this. We have one more vertex here. It's really crappy crow, but doesn't matter. I just want a way I can see. We need to move this whole thing. I think we're almost there. This needs to go up and tilt a little when it's closed. Right. Well done, a little bit better, and then see it's It's really shitty topology, yeah? So we are making do with something horrible here. This is not topology that you should have, by all means, in a decent model, but I'm doing what I can to preserve assets here. Look at that, a vertex there. Who needs that? Never mind. Just need a cool way to... Maybe we can join these two. Yes, and now it should be simpler to hop and then open the mouth, and there you should find a key. Yeah, I think that's perfect. So, ooh, no. Okay, so let's close it back. Close the guy. Cool. Then we need 1, 2, 3. Let's make a vertex group called mouth. Mouth. And then we assign all these vertices. Cool. So that then if I select, I can always have those vertices. Perfect. Now, add an armature. Display in front. Bring this guy down. Resize just a little. Extrude out. We call this guy mouth. Then we should be able to automatic wave. Let me see. Yeah, but this we need to remove everything from that bone. So we need to go in object mode, do this, go to weight paint, and then this one we erase everything, so we subtract everything. I think there's a better way to just, I know there's a better way that you can just say all the weights are 0 in the panel here, but that doesn't matter. This will do the job. And I can't be bothered remembering where exactly that option was. But it's there, so just don't copy this blindly. Cool. So that bone has nothing, and this bone has all the rest, but it should have no influence whatsoever. So now it's important that we only give it, which is weird. I thought it would do it automatically if you name the weights the same as your vertex groups, the bones the same as your vertex groups, but apparently not. So we remove everything. Everything. And then we need to find the option there. So because this Blender assign bone vertices from group. Go to weight paint, choose bone, clicks on the vertex selection button. And select the vertex groups that you need. Mouth. How do I assign? Go to weight paint, which we are. Weights. No. In edit mode. That's maybe what was missing. So here, so this is called mouth. This is called mouth. So when I select you too, and I select you, you should, come on, why? What's missing? Missing mouth, mouth, mouth. Can you please, please? No. It's not doing it. Why, Blender? Come on, bone. And I am sick and tired of this thing taking long. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. That's it. If it's so hard, I don't care. Go away. I need to see, that's why I didn't want to look it up, because every time I try to look something up, it's such a waste of time. You spend 2 more minutes doing it manually and it works. Until I figure out how it's done, and then it's gonna be better to do it that way. But you know what? Let's add. Not good enough. Lecture mesh. Go to properties panel, under object data. Hit the plus sign, yeah, okay, I have it. Just name the vertex the same exact name of your bone. Blender will automatically link the bone. That's not true, because this is called mouth. This is called mouth. I mean, I'm gonna copy paste it, but it's the freaking same. And mouth, if we select it, Oh, I see what the problem is. For some reason it got out of sync. So are we good with these ones? Yes. Fine. But then now deselect, select. Dude. Oh, we need to remove all of them. That's what was missing, I think. Yep. Assign, select. Yes. Let's try again. Let's parent this to this with automatic weights. Go down here. Still didn't work. Why is this taking so long to do something so simple? It went back to assign them all. Why are you doing this? Remove, remove. Oh. And assign only these. Assign. Select, yes. Okay, does not matter. So it's assigning them automatically. That could be good. So we remove that one. And instead we pick this one. Solid object. Yes. So long. Yeah, okay. So it needs to go down. Oof. The rotation is off. So rotate around the X. This is the topology that sucks. This should be good if we could only simulate that. If we could only simulate that. Kind of. It's twisting for some reason. And it's also bringing down this. Maybe we should just not have that control this vertex. Maybe we should only have it control this one. So remove all. And then assign only this. Maybe. Yep, I think that's better. So now, yep. Perfect. Okay, so let's close that up. Let's make an animation. Dope sheet, action editor, new anim, ghetto title, and it's just this, just location and rotation. Then we do another one, intro, open, tuck. From there we go to frame 20 and we just rotate like that, a bit more. Location and rotation, and we call it just open, not 01, just open. I don't know why there is this one now, but we don't want it. So open is pluck. Perfect. Now let's bring this into Unreal, which will have scaling issues, we will most likely. Unreal skeletal mesh. Throw head. See. Desktop. Grow head. Import. Where are you? Grow head. Yeah, it's huge. It's massive. It's absolutely like gigantic, this grow head. Look. I don't know if I care, but look. There it is. Let's see if we can fix it with import. But there shouldn't be only one animation. It should be two. Let me see, what did we export? So let's export again with the same preset. Big animation. All actions. Kill bones. Scale. What did we call it? Still the same. Okay, so let's re-import it. Scan, grow head. Where is it? Where is it? Yes. Where is it? First delete all of them and re-import. Import. Although why it's importing only one animation and it's not the one that we need? It's still huge. Okay, we have several issues here. Man, FBX export from here is disgusting from Blender. Come on, I don't remember what's the deal with like scale one, then leave the other. Why isn't it easier? And why aren't you exporting this animation? Dude, come on. Should I do non-linear action stash? Both. Well, actually, they're the same. I don't want animation on the crow. I just want animation. Action editor. And in crow open mouth. This is moving the bone, right? See. Bone. Can you please export this one? Let's see. Animation. Money. Import animations, import bone tracks, animation length, animated time. Okay, I don't care if the bone is so small, as long as you work. So we should have it now. Yeah, that I know how to fix that issue with scale, but I don't care because this should be the right size. No, it's not. It's not. It's not the right size. So you go to image units 0 1 apply. There is a system. Here. Scale it to 1. So what do you do with blender scale inside when you scale it to 100 and apply scale? So scale it to 100 and apply scale. Then scale it to 001 and leave it like that. Thing is, will the animation still work? Yes. Cool. So now should work. Should. Why do you have to do that? It's beyond me. After so many years that this is an issue, I don't understand. Okay. Seems like to be a good size. Is it huge? Listen, dude, at this point, you're gonna be that. We're all gonna be happy with that. See? Good as new. So, just need to replace this with Scrowhead. And now it looks like it's disappeared. Come on, Scrow. Just need to do this back in place, and then whenever that's correct, we go here, we add this guy to our sequence crow statue, and then just around here we do crow, add an in. There it is. So squawk. So yeah, I think we kind of got the right place. Now let's get the green key, and instead of spawning it here, we spawn it in the mouth. So there. Oh, I see, we have missing normals there. Oh no, it's not. We just have no two-sided material. I'll fix that. But now we need this green key transform to be... So first we spawn it here. And here we lock the transform, and then when it goes down, it reaches down there. I think we just do that. There. Okay, and then we need the material fix. Crowhead, two-sided, yes please, thank you. No. Still feels a bit cheap. Yeah, that's because that's not how a key would realistically bounce. But I think that's fine for now. Cool, let's try it out. Let's try it out. Let's make a key sound on the lever. Here I would add, no, I would add another audio track. Key, item, this. How big is it? What? Well, my friend, we split it here. Trim section right. Cool, let's try. Perfect. I mean, could be better, could be worse. Now, this needs to be green. And yep. So knob. Green. Perfect. Do we already have a required item key? How is it called? Green key. Okay, so let's see. Yep, but it's not giving me a message back. Locked message, wrong. Should give me this. Ah, no. Unlock it. Yeah, locked journal has been roughly painted in green. Perfect. Very steep stairs. Oh well. Cool. So that's done and done. This we can remove from here. List. What's next? The masks. The masks needs to be changed. 2 must be required. Yep. So there is a puzzle here. Then we need to make floors. Here only 1 is required, but we need to make it so that 2 are required. Maybe I can just push them all at the same level. Bring them forward. Okay, so you're missing, and maybe you're missing too. Maybe the red one too. So that means that item require mask holder. Section area 128. Oh, yeah, this is fake. So let me get a reference to the material. Then we duplicate this guy. And make it red. And then we edit the message it gives. Red, red. Yeah. Green. Only that rich text. Red was too big, so green is 12 and red is 16. So we change it to 12. Now there are 2 missing, and so we need to change the trigger, because now I think it's here. Success toggle. It's toggling the table directly. No, we need a counter. Trigger counter. This is gonna, when 2 is reached, it's gonna trigger this table to be on. But this, what is this trigger mask table doing? Oh, it is the table. I'm stupid. So this trigger should be the counter, and this trigger should be the counter. Cool. And now the table, reward item, how's it called? Where is it picking the reward to give? Toggle implementation, toggle implementation. Come on, no, it's I want to edit table drawer. Toggle play animations don't pick up. Okay, the green key instead. Here we need to spawn yellow key. All right, and the yellow key, we need to ensure that it gives access to here. We need to load more partition, show, not show the actors, load up here. Cool. This seems to be set up. Yeah, seems already set up for requiring a yellow key. Let's see if it's actually true. What happened? I want to know what happened. Unversioned property serialization. Level streaming. Internal stuff. Of word partition, I think. We're good, we're almost done, basically. If we do the floors, then this is complete and the demo can be played. There's the intro. Maybe I do that off camera. There's an intro to adjust a little bit. We'll see. First of all, let's see how much did we save. Yeah, I think word partition is, see this is just due to how I manage layers, and that's fine. But it's very complex, and I don't. Also, with static lighting, it's really hard to use with it, and it doesn't support it natively. So I think I'm just gonna go without. The fuck is this? Oh, this should be called SM door frame double. Never mind. Word partition. Do not show the actors and load me a little bit here. Okay, I think it did, yes. So now, can I start my game from here? Thanks. Picked up yellow key. Okay, works, except it might not have the error message, which we will copy from this one. Message. So this two should be in here. Oh, what? Here. Yellow. Yellow. Let's see. Perfect. Cool. Now we need to find out. So this one we can remove. We tried it. If there are other doors that I left around with the yellow knob here, for example. What should this be in my original plans? Miro, let me see. We need to adjust where the doors are. You need to adjust. Okay, I see. So this should be green, but green, I'll make this one red, I think. This one we remove. Yeah, let's make this one red. Red, 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 red. Red, red, red. And you are gonna be red. Knob, red. solid red. Thank you. See? Perfect. Cool, 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 cool. This still works. Perfect. Nice. Okay, let's go a quick round and see that we do not have other yellow doors lingering. No yellow, no yellow, no yellow, no yellow. No, 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 no. Here, this one should be just locked, right? Black should be start locked. Let me see. Yeah. Ooh, these are ugly as hell. What happened? Oh, just need to be placed a bit more there. Like that, like that. Cool. Let's test that this actually still works. This should have a trigger that activates this setup here, which should trigger all of those guys. So, okay, let's just verify very quickly that that's still the case. It works. Good. This one seems skewed, but it's not. The floors are broken beyond measure. Broken beyond measure. Let's adjust this one quickly and everything that we find. Cool. Is this... No, this is... Yeah, this is something that I don't want to see anymore. Box, floor. There. Yes. This is what I want to see now. So accept. Tick. Let me level it. Sorry, how much? Minus 22, come on. And this is gonna be minus. There. Doop. And doop. And doop. And doop. Except this one too should be just a tad more. Or is it a problem of height? Yeah, all the heights are wrong. What on earth was just by little. It's basically unnoticeable, but it annoys me. Oh well, I'll fix that. But not now. So that's done. Raven done. Masks done. Stairs always raised. And I think we're good. Let's add the floors here. And then we're done. Yep. Why is that one selected? Is it me or is it... Oh, here. 3 degrees. Why? 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 There. Perfect height. Leave it there. Let's bring it there and model it till the end. Model it, I mean stretch it. Stretch it till there. Then you know what we do? Insert edge loop here. And we pull it. Pull this guy through. Not like that. We extrude. That is not an extrusion, my friend. That is an extrusion. Although, yeah, accept. Put this a bit more there. Perfect, and we give it some good UVs. 512, yes, very nice. And this we bring slightly up, fix it up, touch it up, pop it up. Here, there should be a door. Where did it go? It's here, for some reason. You can actually move it there. This room is not going to be accessible yet. We're going to work on it next week. Or this weekend myself, I don't know. Anyway, not now. Just important that you can see it there. Just need one of these to grow there. Perfect. Here we need a floor. Is it not showing because it's on another layer? No. I was mute. I'm an idiot. Anyway, I wasn't saying anything important. Oh my god. I wasn't saying anything important other than, oh, let's add a floor here, a floor there, and I replaced that object there. So then now everything should be playable. I think we're good. We did the raven, we did the stairs, we did the masks, we checked for doors, and we made sure that there is no other doors that you shouldn't be able to access it. Then let's just give a little quick look at here and see that this area still works as intended. I think some things might be broken, but never know. Control room, this one should have a message. Here, that is the cartridge. Let's try the elevator. Cool, arrive here. Is it still working? Yep. Oh, it's too bright. It's too bright. I need to remember to... This thing needs to... Widget. Ten? Maybe 5? Maybe 1? Maybe 2. Let me see with 2. Gimme. Ooh, look at that. We need to fix that up too. It's fine. So we need to test that. Then we need to add... I'm gonna add just a few things that I'm noticing. Then I'm gonna do more on my own. But at least what I'm noticing here, I'll do it right away. I think the thing that scares me the most, that I think might not be still working here, is the enemy introduction, because I made some changes to the enemy class and it might not be working. We'll see. This should be big. 120 maybe? Just that it resembles a freaking observatory thingy. And maybe let's point it outside. Yep. Then this message. So okay. Cool. I mean, ugly, but it's there. That's the important thing. Cool. Did we pick it up? No, of course. Go. bright. Widget. I don't know, man. 20? I forgot that I added this debug thing here. I didn't need to go back up. Oh well, I tested well the elevator. That's good. The elevator works up, down, down, up. Where is it? Here. More bright. Actually, can I do... Oh, that's a bug. Mini game screen. Get me up. So, give me mouse control. Get out of there. Widget. Minigame screen. Can you open it? Please, please. I'll be nice this year. I promise. Father Christmas. 100. 200. 150. 120. 100. 90. 80. 80. 70. 60. 50. 60. 80. Let me see. Yeah, that's all right. Oof, too bright. Way too bright. 50. 30. 30. Great. Oof. There's something about the brightness of this area that is out of every possible... Let me see what's the base material doing. Opacity from texture, saturation, power. Unlit surface mask, that's alright. Why do we have an opacity mask? And why do we... I'm very confused as to why that happens, and also the very, very bright. If I do brightness 1, it should still, though, be visible, except it's not. It becomes dark if it's 1, so why? Brightness 1 turns it into a complete dark thing. Shouldn't, right? Although we're still multiplying things by a lot. What if I do that? Let's see. I don't want to fix this now. I'm not gonna do it. Why? We need a texture. We need a texture from Slate. So if anything, yeah, this is too little bright, right? This is basically black. But it's honestly not that bad. Okay, the flashing is broken. So Duck. I'm not gonna try to fix it. This is the last thing I'm doing. Duck. Just because now I'm... You're tired. I'm tired too, man. I'm tired too, mad dog. But what can we do? Just keep going. Just keep going. What shall we... How am I gonna fix this? I'm tired, yes. So here somewhere there must be a flash UI. Yes, here the speed should be 0.5. Sleepless nights and days in pain. Holy shit, man. That sounds rough. Sorry to hear. I mean, I know something about it. Why is it doing that? Why? Oh, it's missing a texture. I see. It's not swapping to the right texture, I do believe. T-duck hit is there, but then there is a function that makes it flop here. Duck flying. Here. One of these is missing, maybe? No, they're all there. They're all from texture group. Where's the material for the duck? But so what up, Mad Dog? Are you here? Do you make games, or are you here just randomly? Or are you interested in it? You make games, cool. What stuff do you make? Do you have anything released? That's the thing. I'm trying to. I also made a lot of small things, but I never actually finished and released a bigger project. So here I am. I want to tick that. I want to take that. And why are you not showing? There's something wrong with this. What if I just... oh, brightness is 0. Maybe that's the issue. No, because this is 250. What if I just place this into the emissive? Would we still have the issue? Let's see. Yeah, you can check them out. Oh, cool. I'm looking at what you do. Wanna fight? Oh man, that looks good. Wait, is it like trying to figure out what is it? Can I play the trailer in the main window? Come on. If you want to strike me for this, tell me, I'll take it off. I'm just curious to see with you. Nice. So it's like an arena or what? Or do you have levels? Cinematic intensive where would I film and throw to the years of citizen soldier and some heroes from the lens? Nice. Single player game inspired by Code 2. God, it's been a while since I played a good FPS. I feel like since I started working on this and being on computer all day, then I don't have the energy to play games, which is really bad. I'm trying to force myself back into it to keep a grip into this world. Tough. Anyway, I think what the issue was with the missive, and I think I can fix it just by where are you? Just brightness. You know what? Let's cut brightness out of the picture completely, shall we? Let's try. I want to see how it looks. And if this fixes it. Seem like a strong-willed person, just make sure not to get married. Man, I'm I'm not married, but I want to have kids. Well, one. So, yeah. But being married shouldn't be a bad thing. Shouldn't be. Oh, there you go. Now it works. But I know it's tough. It's tricky business being married. Cool. I think everything is good. Well, let me just quickly see that this enemy setup still works. And then I think we're good. Come on. Come on. Come on, dude. Good boy. Oh, I'm looking at your crotch. No. Don't want to be looking at your crotch, my friend. Runner. Last thing. Raise the camera. Something like that. Cool. And this room is still there. Gap here. Can't leave the stream without filling this. Repivot. No, repivot. Oh. Project UVs. Boom. Project UVs. Boom. Project UVs. Boom. Cool. The pig is still there. I think we're good for now. Oh well, time to go. I think I've done more than enough. Now the area I can prepare the demo basically. And that's all good. This was a special streaming that I'm testing out. I'm testing out different hour, like how do you say, time slots during the day to like see if there is more people in the afternoon or not. Tomorrow I think tomorrow it's a weekend. On Monday I will go back to morning, but if not I will update the schedule. Thank you for being with me. Thank you, Mr. Mad Dog Angry, and I will see you next time, I hope. Bye bye.